Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to place text behind objects in Photoshop. So mostly I get people asking me, how do I place text behind objects in Photoshop. So this is a short and quick tutorial about how to place text behind any object in Adobe Photoshop. Tutorial, we are going to use this image as our subject. So the first thing to do is to duplicate this image over here. You come to the image layer, you press Command J or Control J for Windows, and now you have a copy of your image, this one and then this one. The next step is to type any text. So I'm coming here with a type 2, and then I'm going to type this Spanish word that I know or I learned some time ago, and then you Control T to transform it to however you want it. Just make sure it fits perfectly, and then you can scroll down. But when you come here, you see that it can't go behind the image or the subject. So the next thing is to bring this text layer here in the middle of both images, and then you select the top one, and then you come to the top and you go to select, you scroll down to subject, and then it is going to highlight or select the subject, which is here the image we have in the middle. So the gentleman holding the book is the subject for today, and it is going to highlight it. We just wait patiently for it to load, and then we are good to go. But while it's loading, please subscribe. Now we have our subject selected. The next thing is to come here, and then with the selection being active, you go to layer, and then you scroll down to layer marking. So we have to look for layer mask, and then you select on review selection. So review selection, now it's showing our text back. So the best thing is to come here, and then you scroll your text behind it. So as you can see, I'm dragging the text and it fits perfectly behind our image or our subject in this case. So we can bring it somewhere here, or in case you want your text to show very well, you can bring it somewhere here. And now the job is done. Good. So this is basically how to place text behind objects in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helps someone out there, because it's a very simple and short one. You can rewatch this video until you get everything perfect for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and share the link as well. Peace out.